Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Citroen Space Tourer. It's fitted with a 100 PS 1.5 blue HDI engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This Space Tourer is a used 19 plate. It also will have 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the Citroen. To the front, you will notice the headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice daytime running lights and also front fog lights. You'll also notice the centre grille is also in chrome. Moving around the Citroen again, you will notice that this Space Tourer has 16-inch steel wheels with Citroen full wheel covers. On both sides of the vehicle, you will notice body coloured mouldings. The mirror and door handles are also painted in body colour. As we walk down the side of the vehicle, you will notice privacy glass towards the rear of the Citroen. It's also fitted with twin sliding doors. As we look inside the vehicle, you will notice 3 comfortable seats with Isofix anchorage points across all the seats. This is ideal for the correct child seat. If you wanted to make more space, you could take out the rear row seats using the red handles. If you could imagine the rear seat being taken out, this would be a great advantage for adding more space. To the back of the Citroen, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear window and rear wash wipe. As we look across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This Citroen is also fitted with a tow bar. As we look at the back of the Citroen, you will notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice the Citroen badging on the tailgate. Looking back into the load area, you will notice some handy storage compartments on both side panels. Here we have the other red handle to take out the seat. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner rear tailgate. This Citroen is painted in a metallic paint, which is called platinum grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a standard steering wheel. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As I move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Citroen is also fitted with 5 comfortable seats in cloth trim. The driver's seat and the passenger seat also have an armrest for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Space Tourer. For my next part of the video, I'd like to talk to you about the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window switches. As we move over to the steering wheel, you will notice auto headlamp switch. Down here, you will notice cruise control. This Citroen has covered 21,398 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 7-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with DAB and FM radio frequencies. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. You'll also notice it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's also got a system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. If we move away from the media system, you will notice that it's fitted with a 12-volt socket and a USB port. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this Citroen's fitted with a rear parking system. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Citroen's fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have this 6-speed fan motor switch. Here's where you can change the heat temperature. The buttons across the centre also change the heat direction if needed. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Citroen Space Tourer. It's fitted with a 100 PS 1.5 blue HDI engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 19 plate Citroen, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the vehicle. When you are in touch with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.